What I think is interesting is that we know what's happening in the accounting space in globally. We're having a shortage of accountants. We're having a high amount of people retiring or aging out of the workforce. Where do you see AI fitting into the support firms in that reality? And how does it help drive more value driven services that firms can deliver for their clients?
So before I answer that question directly, I think what I've learned over the last couple of years in my finance career is that our talent requirements have changed drastically. Instead of just looking for people with a solid accounting background and articles and a good qualification, we've come to now realize that we need to be looking for people with really good data skills. These days, if you want someone in a commercial finance role in a corporate environment, it has to be someone that can write a SQL query. It has to be someone that's proficient with Power BI reports. It has to be someone that embraces technology and someone that's willing to experiment with something like an intact ERP system to get the most from it. With regards to skills leaving the market, I think that change in talent and what we are looking for plays a really big role. We're not just trying to replace the numbers with exactly the skills that are leaving. We're trying to fill the gap with the AI and with the automation. And the impact that has is that I think we can in general uplift the day-to-day tasks that people do from a finance perspective, rather than doing those repetitive, mundane data capturing related activities. They can focus more on providing insight, doing analysis, etc. So very excited to see what's happening there. And I think I just need to also mention that we don't see AI as a replacement for human expertise. We actually see it as a force multiplier.